Hello dear students, welcome back to Grammar Enhancer. In today's video we are going to discuss or learn about the direct and indirect narration. So let's get started. First thing that we need to know, what is the narration? Narration is a way to report someone's thing to any other one. In English language, there are two ways to report someone's thing to any other one. First one is direct narration and second one is indirect narration. So let's start with direct narration or direct speech. Direct narration is also called direct speech. Direct speech reports the exact thoughts, words expressed by a person in their original form. किसी भी व्यक्ति द्वारा कही गई बात को किसी व्यक्ति को उसके ही शब्दों में बता देना डायरेक्ट स्पीच कहलाता है. It is often enclosed in quotation marks so that the reader understands that the quoted text is the speaker's original narrative. In indirect speech is also known as reported speech or indirect narration. When you report someone else's statement in your own words without any change in the meaning of the statement, it is called indirect speech. Indirect speech जब हम किसी भी व्यक्ति की बात को बिना उसकी बात के अर्थ में चेंज किए अपने शब्दों में किसी तीसरे या अन्य व्यक्ति को बताते हैं तो ऐसी स्पीच इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहलाती है. लेट्स लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. Direct speech, she says, I am a little bit nervous. In indirect speech, she says that she is a little bit nervous. In the first sentence, the writer conveys the girl's message using her actual words, I am a little bit nervous. In the second sentence, the writer conveys her message in his own words without changing the meaning. She is a little bit nervous. She says, I am a little bit nervous. She says, in indirect speech, she says that she is a little bit nervous. Reporting speech. The first part of the direct speech is called reporting speech. Reported speech, the second part of the sentence, which is enclosed in inverted commas or quotation marks, is called reported speech. Reporting verb. The verb of the reporting speech is called reporting verb. Reported verb. The verb of the reported speech is called reported verb. The basic rules of direct and indirect speech. Change in pronouns, backshift the tenses, change the time and place. Here backshifting means converting any tense into past tense. Okay, changes in verb. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, then no change is required to be made in the verb of reported speech. Only change the pronouns. And second thing, if the reporting verb is in the past tense, the reported speech should be changed in the past form. Like direct speech, he says, I am ill. Here reporting speech is in present tense, so there is no tense change required in the reported speech. So indirect speech will, he says that he is ill. Second, she says she sang a song. Here also the reporting speech is in present tense. So indirect speech will, she says that she sang a song. If a reporting speech is in past tense, then how to change the tenses? Like present simple tense changes to past simple, present continuous to past continuous, present perfect tense to past perfect, present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous, simple past to past perfect, past continuous to past perfect continuous. In future, will changes to would and shall changes to should. Now understand how to change the words or adverbs. Like now changes to then, today changes to that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the previous day or the day before, tomorrow, the next day, the following day, next week, the following week, next month, the following month, next year, the following year, last week, the previous week. Let's understand how to changes the pronouns. I changes to he or she, you changes to I or we changes to they, my changes to his, her, your changes to my, yours, our changes. Let's move on to assertive sentences. Assertive sentences. The sentence which declares or asserts a statement, feeling, opinion, incident, event, history, or anything is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence can be affirmative, positive, or negative. Let's look at the examples. Direct speech. She says, I am writing a letter to my brother. Here you can see reporting verb is in present tense. So there is no tense change required in the reported speech. So she says that she is writing a letter to her brother. In negative sentence, she says I was not writing a letter to my brother. Then it should be she says that she was not writing a letter to her brother. Third one is she said to me, I am writing a letter to my brother. Here you can say that reporting verb is in past tense. So there is a tense change required in the reported speech. So in direct speech is she told me that, said to changes to told. The she told me that she was writing a letter to her brother. The rest of the sentences will be covered in part B. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more and see you in next video.